Hey there, it is Tommi Kokko on behalf of ipguitars once again, and Tonefest is done and dusted. Had an absolute blast, an incredible time, and a great first outing for ipguitars at like a trade show. So that was really cool. Throughout this video, I'm gonna put up like a little bit more of the leading up to the thing and some clips from here and there, but I tried to film as much as possible, but didn't get a lot filmed. I took some more stuff with my phone that I'll also insert clips of.
So this is kind of the setup that I'm looking at here. You see there's the tape measure on the back here. There's a steel ruler there, marking out my 140 centimeters by 60 centimeter table. 5 guitars on it. This is the setup that I could pretty much make. I wonder if I should switch these around so that I would have 3 up front and 2 in the back. Yeah, not something I can do. Thing is, it's not touching the table there. So it's on a slant, which makes it prone to falling. Can put it technically like that, but I can't because then it's right up against this one. Yeah, then I run out of space. If only I had like, you know, that much extra space. 10 centimeters more. I'll be able to fit that just fine. So yeah, I do need to have 3 in the back, 2 up front. That's how it's gonna have to go. And then we'll see if they let me have one guitar on the floor next to an amp or something. I don't know, let's see.
All right, so tomorrow is the day, D-Day. So now it's just today, packing everything up, making sure I got everything, trying to keep track of everything, and yeah, probably gonna have a little footage here while we pack the car. But essentially, I'm gonna take my camera so I can get a little bit of footage for you guys. The orange little cab and tiny micro Terror, they are gonna be my amplifier for the day, because I don't have any other amplifier. Probably not the best suited for the modern metal riff machines that are the Ariadne guitars, but hey, we'll make do with what we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instruments, 4 of the Hercules stands, 1 A stand. I gotta make sure I pack up t-shirt. Got all that. Have to have duct tape. Have to have a screwdriver set, just in case if anything goes wrong. Have a tuner. Do need to make sure to grab my Leatherman is, well, I have 2. So one of my Leathermans is at the band practice place, and the other one is at work. But I got a Swiss Army knife that I got from Ben Crow Crimson, so I'm gonna take that with. What do you mean by I'm nervous? No, I'm not nervous. You're nervous. It's gonna go great. It's gonna go great. Watch as the chaos unfolds. Yeah. Oh, sorry about the like red swollen eye. Dog shedding. I'm allergic to dogs, and I scratched her and touched my eye. My own mistake. Now I took allergy meds, and it'll go down a little bit, but yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Slowly but surely, everything's starting to come together. Here we are.
Mattias Ia Eklund och Kiko Loureiro. Guys, please come on stage. There they are. With a round of applause. Called the Triptych in Triptyket. What's Triptych in Portugal? Even he doesn't know.
The Ariadne guitars were definitely the stars of the stand, as it were. A lot of people picked them up and tested them out and gave lots of positive feedback, which is really nice to hear. They, oddly enough, there was a lot of single scale guitar players, or normal guitar, well, yeah, let's say single scale guitar players that picked up the Ariadne and found it extremely easy to play, which was the best thing to hear, because that's exactly the whole point. Easily approachable with the whole like light fan and stuff like that. So that was really cool. People really dug the thin line Daedalus, which I thought probably would be a hit for the show. And then yeah, got lots of positive feedback, and it was a great first outing to actually be there. Fortunately, I was one of the first people setting up and managed to snag myself a extra table, because the tables that we had there, they were smaller than spec'd, and I had like you've seen, I had tried to get everything as concise as possible to fit within that 140 times 60 centimeter area. So it was tight when the two tables that I had were tiny. So I got a third table so I could actually fit all the guitars on there. Set up the amp, found out that the Microterra and Little Orange Cab, or Little Orange Amp, actually made basses sound really good. And while probably not the best amp to test something like this, it did the trick and, you know, gave people an idea of what things sounded like. Yeah, my whole mission was to get as many people as possible to pick up the instruments and just try them, or just have a closer look and just kind of little fiddle. And a lot of people did, and that means a victory in my book, a total win. So until the next show, whenever that may be, and next Tonefest for sure. I'm hoping to go to more trade shows if I have something to take to shows. And yeah, I think this was a good start to many shows to come. And because these guitars still have their Tonefest price tags on them, I decided that, you know, in celebration of a great first outing, great first show, I'm gonna extend the Tonefest sale for an entire week. So the upcoming week, up until the 26th of May, on the website, these stock instruments, so the 10th anniversary, Finland Daedalus, both Ariadne models will be available at Tonefest prices with great discounts. So now is your chance to actually get yourself a brand spanking new guitar for a really great deal if you missed it out on the show date. So yeah, go and check those out. There's a link in the description to go straight to the store. And yeah, well, thank you for joining on this journey of mine. If you haven't seen the other videos, go check out the playlist right over there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. This is Tommi Kokko signing off. Thank you very much. Bye bye.